How do you upload music to your Centova Cast radio control panel? First, you need to order a Shoutcast or Icecast hosting from Z on Streams at www.z-on-streams.com. Now once you get your stream from Z on Streams, it's time to log in and get your login details from your email. 1. Log into Centova Cast. 2. Under the Auto DJ setting, click on Files, then an uploader will appear. Once uploaded, close the uploader and close and return. 3. Go to Auto DJ. Playlists, Media Files. Playlists Media, click on Media, then drag and drop your music into the playlist you want your uploaded music to be. 4. Final step, restart the station under Server. Stop, restart admin, and that is it. You're ready to tune into the music you uploaded on your server and enjoy. This has been another tutorial from Z on Streams LLC. So if you want to get started on your Shoutcast or Icecast server, you can chat with one of our streaming experts at www.z-on-streams.com. So get started today.